A wide variety of grown provision, guys. Cocoa, delicious cocoa. Yummy dasheen. Yellow yam, guys. Lovely yellow yam. Wide variety of grown provision. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Self Care Official. Here am I in the supermarket. Nice. So I get a little snack here in the supermarket. Yes. Like, share, comment. In the supermarket here we have a lot of green banana, guys. Love green bananas. Yes. There are shoppers around. Lots of grown provision here. These are dasheen. For those who love these carbs, dasheen. That's the price per kilo of dasheen here in Jamaica. Yes, guys. $1 here in Jamaica is equivalent to the Jamaican $150. $150 Jamaican equivalent to the US dollar. So do the maths, guys. You will get the price per kilo of dasheen cocoa. Yummy cocoa.
That's the price.
That's the price for cocoa per kilo. And then guys, do the maths. Jamaican $150 equivalent to a US dollar here in Jamaica. Delicious cocoa. Yellow yam, guys. Look at them. Yummy dry yellow yam. Yes, eat with curry chicken. Yes, whatever protein you love. Look at the yam. Shoppers all around. Picking up their boots. It's a Saturday here in Jamaica. Yeah. These are Lucy yam. Jamaican Lucy yam. That's the price per kilo of Lucy yam. White yam. Yeah. Yummy white yam. I love white yam, guys. We have the sweet potato here. In some country you call it candy yam. Yes. Yummy sweet potato for making sweet potato pudding. That's the price there for a kilo. Look how healthy they are. Clean and nice sweet potato. So these are the red skin. Over here we have a different color. Very healthy sweet potato. Yum. Candy yum. Yes. Here we have Irish potato. Yummy Irish potato. That's the price. Yeah. So love Irish potato too, guys. Lots of Irish potatoes. This is the correct price for the Irish potatoes. Shoppers are here. Go to their grocery. avocado pear. That's the price here for avocado pear. Yummy avocado pear, guys. Yeah. So these are going provision. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.